So I ordered this neck pillow to travel with, and I took the foam out because it was smelling kind of weird. And I don't know if this is mold or what the heck it is, but to me it looks like mold on the inside of the pillow. Not impressed with this. Yeah, not nice. I mean, the foam is really soft and it's very pliable, it's bendable, but this is a no-no. Oops, sorry. Excuse me. Even for the price, I don't care. You should be checking this stuff and making sure everything is okay.
So this is what I purchased. It is a memory foam pillow, neck pillow that I ordered off of Amazon. And so as you can see, this is already damaged. I opened the covering here to see what it looked like, because when I opened the packaging, it was like super soft. And I'm like, no, this is not what I ordered. And this is so filthy. Like, it's filthy and it has blotches everywhere. I would never recommend this to anyone. I would give this 0 stars if I could.